Good morning, everyone. Thank you and welcome for coming. My name is Justin. I have Tony, Terrence, Jessica, and Sammy. Myself, Tony, and Sam, we're all electrical engineering majors. Sam and Tony were responsible for the circuit assembly and circuit design. I was responsible for some of the circuit design as well as mechanical and printed circuit board design. We have Terrence and Jessica, they're our computer engineering, and they were responsible for the coding of our device. Just a little background, light painting is a photographic technique whereby a camera's shutter is left open and intricate light designs can pass through that shutter and be recorded into an image, as you see here. We have built an advanced device that produces time multiplex light signals as well as graphics and patterns into the Lux Caduceus. The Lux Caduceus, which is our name for this, is a series of 144 RGB LEDs, and we have an extension option that can increase the LEDs to 288 LEDs. You may wonder, Lux Caduceus, where did we get that name? Lux, of course, SI unit for illuminance, and Caduceus is the Greek word, and it refers to staff or wand of the ancient Greek god Hermes. Our device is powered by two 3.7 volts lithium poly batteries. There's an onboard battery charger. And we also designed a power management circuit. That can control the sequence of the light LEDs and pass it to our LED strip, and it pushes the data out. We can push that data out on an included Bluetooth channel or an SD card. Our software will take a bitmap and convert it into light values, RGB light values, and then pushes that value out. Our design, our box is 3D printed in an artistic design. You can kind of see it right here, but you can see it better when we get over there. We also have a wand that was machined in the UTD machine shop. We have taken some pictures, these pictures with our professor's professional camera. We've attained, I believe, some very impressive results. We also have more pictures we passed around, and we have more pictures at our station as well. Then I would like to thank y'all for coming out. And are there any questions that y'all might have?
Is this like a handheld scanner, or how does this thing work?
It's a okay, so it's a strip of LEDs. We have 144 LED main strip. So what it does is it takes, we have an image that gets flipped into a text file. So the LEDs basically are the top from left to right of your image. And as you walk across a field of vision, those LEDs are changing.
Okay.
And so then it produces, once it's recorded into an image, then it comes out.
Camera shutter stays open while you're moving.
Camera shutter is open. So thereby, I'm walking behind here. It doesn't focus anything on me because the light's in front of me. So you can't really even see me.
How big is it?
The main part is about the LED strips are 1 meter each. So the main part is about almost 4 feet, and then the extension's 3 feet. But we have two handles in convenient places so you can walk across when you have that extension in. The extension gives us more vertical LEDs. Basically, the LEDs are the pixels and gives us more resolution.
How far do you have to walk?
We have a default frame rate, maybe 4 feet, but you can speed it up, slow it down, whatever you'd like.
So this is just a mobile kind of scanner, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can't use it like as a pen to scan an existing image or something like that?
Well, you can see some of those. We have some preset patterns in there that just give like different patterns. You can kind of walk around, do this, and you can get some things. But you can also take text images and you can walk across with text, as long as it's a bitmap image.
What is the commercial potential for this?
Well,
Already out there. But ours is better.
there are some units out there, I think ours is better. A lot of them don't have Bluetooth capabilities or preset patterns in there. Touch screen display is what we have. So from the photographers from last time, they seem to be very interested, so I think we could have some.
So
kind of
who's your
market.
competitor right now?
Who's our competitor?
Yeah.
The main one is called the Pixel Stick.
So how
Pixel Stick is about
how do you do
5
compared
foot.
to them?
The Pixel Stick is about 60 LEDs, so it's a lot less resolution for us. And we have the dot star LEDs, which refresh faster. You don't have to worry about timing as much as well.
All right, let's thank the team.